Welcome to Virtual Personal Assistants. My name is Diane, and I'm here to help you to get your business off the ground or to expand and promote your business. Please follow my website on www.virtualpersonalassistants.com. I'm also going to be initiating the one in the name of the company, which is virtualspeedyservices.uk. And we have blogs and also Twitter, YouTube and Facebook. So I look forward to helping you move your business along. Now, one of the other investments that I made was looking at chatbots. We saw websites, they grew exponentially. We then saw apps grow exponentially, and now we're looking at AI technology. I know some of you have been on websites where you've seen this little chat box on the end, but they don't actually interact with you. The new type of AI technology will help you to interact with multiple clients and visitors to your website or social media consecutively, and make them feel as though you are responding to them. And then you can look up all the details afterwards and find out what it is that we're interested in. Believe you me, this is something you have to get involved with. And you can also request setting up an agency if you think you want to sell this new type of technology. I've also got my company registered for CPD, Continued Professional Development. So this means a range of courses which are designed to help you with your business, your personal development, and sharpen up and hone in on things that you need to move yourself forward. Are not just courses, but they're actually certified, and this can help you in business negotiations, credibility, when you're going after contracts. Now, of course, my services aren't free, but I have introduced various options that will help you to pay for the services. If you check out our pricing list and schedule payment plans, you might find these very useful, because this will really dictate how much of the service you want to use.